Want to remove third-party app access from your Google account? Here's how to do it. Open a browser and go to google.com. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Tap Manage your Google account. At the top menu, tap Data and Privacy. Scroll down until you find Third-party apps and services. Tap it. You'll now see all apps and websites connected to your Google account. Tap the app you want to remove. Select Delete all connections. Confirm by tapping Confirm. The app will no longer have access to your Google account. Keep in mind, removing access may stop certain features from working in that app. Repeat these steps for any other apps you want to remove. And that's it. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Google tips and tutorials.